Good morning, guys. Hope you guys having a great day. Got my monster. Currently, it is 8:34 in the morning. And as you saw in the title of the video, we're in a Gar Fishing Tournament in the river. So I entered to see catch the biggest alligator garfish. If you don't know what it is, in Spanish, a carcatanes. And we're going to try to win it. Caught a couple a few days back, a couple weeks ago. And a pretty decent size. They're not that big like you see on the YouTube videos. But yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's go here to the spot. I got all the fishing rods here. So right now in the morning, since I'm alone, I try to catch a couple more carp. Caught a carp yesterday. Right here we got our rod holders for the rods. And pretty much I'll just dump everything here. It looks pretty low. And I was gonna go to another spot a little bit further that way, but someone is already there. But no worries, we don't hate it. That's my usual spot, but any spot works. We're gonna be making some pack bait. Here's some of the ingredients you need. Some oats, doesn't matter which oats, and some breadcrumbs. I just got these ones because they're the only ones that were there. But what I like to do is crack open this thing. And then they're Italian season, so sure will be season. I just put the whole thing in there. Whole thing. Open the corn. And actually, I'll just put the whole juice on it. Whole thing of corn. Just open it and put about half. Just so you can get some color. Oh, fuck. I'll just put a little bit in there. Just gonna cover. Just about that. And also, I went to my local Ross and I got this big machete. Yeah, so I can cut the fish a little bit better because the only thing I got is a fillet fish. The only thing I got is a fillet knife. So that's not gonna do us any good. But I got this thing. It was like $13. All right, guys, we might have a carp on this one, the blue one. You see how it's swimming away? I'm just gonna grab it actually. Yeah, I got a fish. Yep, I got a fish. But for this one, it could be a catfish. Yeah, it's probably a small catfish. It feels tiny. Actually, it was nothing. Actually, our pack bait is still on it. I think it was a little bit too thick on it. I'll just throw it back like that. Oh, that was a bad cast. I'll just let it break down for a bit. But our rod over there is doing pretty good. I don't know if you can see a little bobber. But it feels like we getting some bites on that carp. It might be a catfish. We get a catfish, no big deal. We get a gar, catan. We should be good. At least we can enter. Have something on the board. Gonna put this thing on the hook and just hook him in like that. Yeah, I went pretty good. I got him around the belly. I can see it. I also make sure to take out the scales. Good chuck. Yeah, that's good. That's just fishing for y'all. Wait and be patient. Catch some monsters. All right, guys, we got the other rod rigged up. Inline 2-ounce bobber. And this one, actually pretty neat. I caught a couple. I'll guard with these. This one has the big J hook with a treble hook. Let me see what you can do. You can So this is a Temu rod. Look at this thing. I already tried to tighten it up. Doesn't work. So I got this rod. I mean this reel from Temu. I think it's like a 6,000. It's not that big. Because I was on a budget and trying to catch some catfish. But I think it's already given out. I need to buy another one. I really like the pan. Probably buy another 6,000 one with the life liner. So I can give it a good toss. But just like that. And then just put them together like that. Oh, it's perfect. Right in the middle. Hell yeah. Make sure to lose our drag. That should be fine. So we got all three set up. We got the Shakespeare contender, actually. We got the Shakespeare sturdy stick. I'm pretty sure that's for offshore. It's a 6 foot. And we got the big water ugly stick with a pen spin fisher. Good combo right there. All right, guys, a little update. Still no bites at all. Still giving it a couple more minutes on the carp. Get around 20 minutes on the carp so you can season the water, and I'll just leave the Gar ones there for a bit. So got me a Gatorade. Let me know which one's your favorite flavor. It's not my favorite, but I like it. My favorite is the one that says Cool Blue or the grape one. It tastes pretty good. I'm still chilling here. It's been about another 10 minutes since the update. 10-15 minutes. And I'm pretty sure the other guys are in the tournament because they're just cursing and cursing. I'm pretty sure they lost the Gar. So with the Gar, you gotta hook them pretty good, but you gotta be patient with them as well. Because I've lost a lot of Gar as well. I hook them, I fill them pretty good. Bam, they jump out of the water and they spit that out. Still chilling, no bites in either rod. The carp rods, probably gonna rebait them and throw them again. Maybe put a little bit more oats on it. Alright guys, got these casted for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm just gonna reel them back in, cast them again. Just a little bit. Mixing it up a little bit. I'll just give it a cast around the same spot. I'm like that. Now that was a nice cast right there. Oh, that was a good chuck. That was a good chuck. Well, this one, I threw it about there. For recording para el vlog. Yeah. Nada bites? Nada bites. Hi guys. You might have a fish here. That's recording? Yeah. Got him. Time to drag. Oh, it's a small gar. Oh no! It broke off my leader. I know what I'm gonna do. Come on. Not too far. I'm gonna try grabbing with this line. It's good. Oh, it's a bad cast. Oh, that looks like a good cast. Fuck. It's a little green thing floating. I don't know if you can see it. But it sniped me off. And now it's all the way over there eating it. Damn. Man. That was crazy. I can still see it. It's all the way over there. I think it's long gone. I just jumped in the air and broke me off. Damn. I mean, that's part of fishing, y'all. Yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated. I'm gonna throw the other rod in there and hopefully catch another gar. All right, getting some bites. The pen rod. Oh shit! I think that might be a carp. Oh, it's a carp. I think it's wrapped up on something. There you go. Come here. Came out. Okay. Oh, it's way out there. Get over here. Better not be a catfish, bro. Yeah, it's a carp. Nice little carp. Get over here. Get over here. These never stop fighting, bro. He's right here. He's right here. Get over here. Yes. Finally a carp on the board. Damn. Trash. I missed it. I'll pick it up. But we got a carp. And something's still biting on us on the pen. So earlier I was shooting over here. I was throwing my rod over here. So it's pretty chummed up there. I threw it over there. So probably later in the day, if I throw it over there, I'll probably catch some carp. And I caught one here. I got the big pliers. I don't know what they went. But I got this one. Hopefully it doesn't move. And I'm gonna just step on them. It's a baby carp, but that's perfect for Gar. Hopefully it's a Gar. I'll just give it a pull. I don't think I got it. I'll just cast it back out and see what the damage is. Yeah, look at that. Chewed up carp bait. All right, guys, just cleaning up. I'm gonna take a quick break. Go home, eat. Pretty hungry. I just checking. I'm forgetting something. Put the jar right here. Bait on the fridge. Go home for a bit. Maybe take a little nap. And later, like I said earlier, I'm going with my brother-in-law. I'm gonna come fishing again here, probably later at night, cause that's when they're most active. But yeah, that's gonna be a pretty long video. But yeah, currently going home, and I just pick it up when either we're in the river again or picking up my cuñado. A new spot with Mikey. Got a rod set up. It's around 6. ¿Qué pasó, Mikey? Las 6?
6:54.
Oh, 7. 7, but I cast some rods. I already casted a rod. And this guy is probably gonna catch something too. If the bait doesn't fly off, because that shit always happens. A night cast. Está con madre. We're already getting our first bites on the carp. Might be a Gar. We're not sure. Drag's pretty loose. I don't know how to record this without my chest mount. Some big bites, guys. Oh my god, bro, it's biting so hard. You see that? It's still on it. It's still on it. Look at that. That's a mean catfish. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. We're not targeting catfish, but it's still. Mikey! That shit biting crazy, dude. If we get something, I'll turn on the camera real quick. Okay. Now we're all set up. Some Catan rigs. And some carp rigs over there. And keep getting bites. Okay, no ants. I think I might have a little catfish in here, which I don't want. Fish on. You want a catfish, Mikey? The carp. Oh shit! It's a carp. It's a carp. 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 Diciendo, güey, if I could. Mira, güey. Cámara, cámara, cámara. Ya, estamos los dos juntos, no sé cómo. Kyle, ayúdame acá con este, güey.
Solo por arriba.
Ahí está. Mételo solo. Fuck yeah. Let's go, Mikey. Watch out, watch out. Let's go. That's how you catch a carp. We have more bait and fresh bait. Here you go, guys. On the leader, the third one that we caught. It had that barely hooked.
The big one fight.
Oh, but I used this rod. Yeah, but you still have to be careful though. Mira, just like that. Hey guys, we have more bait for our gar. This is gar candy, perfect size. I'm gonna grab the scale and see how much he weighs. All right, here we got the Bass Pro Shops scale. I've never used it. I've caught bass and all that stuff. They're all dinks, so I didn't even bother.
Two.
2 pounds?
3. 3.5.
Hey, okay. No 3 pounds. 2.6. 2.6 pounds. Hopefully we catch another gar or another carp. Here you go. So this rod has been in the water for about an hour. Put an old piece of carp, but I don't think it works. We just had a big takedown on this rod. I don't know why it's not. It's still on. It's still on. It's still on. I can feel it. Oh yeah, it's still on. It's still on. Oh, yours too, Mike. We're doubled up. I think it's a catfish, bro. Huh? Oh no. I'll give it some line. Gotta give it some line. I think he got stuck. I'll give him some time to move. He's stuck in there by a little branch or something. It literally jumped right now, right there. Put it in the dough ball. Like that, and then just move these a little bit. Put it in the dough ball. Just like that. It's nice. All right, here you got my favorite bait, carp head. I'm gonna put one of the hooks up here, and one of the hooks in the mouth. All right, so the orange one is tugging now. It's a little bit. Still putting the carp head on it. I think it's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna come over here and throw it. Oh, that was a big bait. I didn't throw it that far, but it's in the zone. Because when you see the phone, you're in the zone. It was around 8:30 some, right, Maggie? Like 8:30 some. 8:30. I think might have another carp on it. I threw the carp head over here. We got some carp, big carp, and we got más carp there in el tuyo. We got more carp.
Yeah.
And I really want my leader back for this one right here. Like he's gonna throw a cast net. I don't know why. We have a bunch of bait, but I'll keep you guys updated. So now it got pretty dark. Got a crazy blow up right now, but I mean we didn't get to catch it on the camera, but we got more rods now. They're already jumping over there, dude. It's crazy. We got more people here. Gonna be a lot of action. Little update. Mikey just broke off his leader, so I gave him a catfish one. But you can also catch gar. Little rig. And still no runs. Hopefully get some soon. It's 10. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, just rebaiting right now. I'm gonna change the carp head because I think it's too big for the fish we have here. And just rebaiting except this one. Quick update, guys. It's currently about 12:20 at night. Still no runs. It's been pretty slow. There's a couple people over there, and some guys just left over here. They didn't catch anything. They haven't caught anything other than me catching carp. All right, guys, we might have a run. Right now, we find out if we actually have a run. Something big just slapped their tail over there, which I'm probably gonna throw this rod over there. Yep, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Agarra la rope. Agarra fuerte. Fuck yeah, güey. Fuck yeah. Let's go, Mikey. Ahí está. Yes. Ahí está. Oh, está fat como quiera. Can you see how long? A ver que me asusté. Can you see how long it is? 41 inches. See that? Yeah. 41 inches. Aquí está la cola. Wait for another 30 minutes trying to catch another gar. Let's see what we can catch now. But there's some guys over there giving the gar. And that's the aftermath right there. It was bad. It was pretty bad. Good afternoon, guys. It's currently the second day. Gonna pick up my brother-in-law, Mikey. This is day 2. It's currently about 3 in the afternoon. And currently with that fish what we caught, we are on first place, 41 inches. And we just gotta outdo ourselves and maintain the lead. All right, guys, we're back at the same spot, day 2. We're Mikey still, and we bought a tent. Already got some rods thrown out. That's the setup, and I'm pretty sure we already got a bite. Also got the carp rig so we don't run out of bait. Mikey's setting up his rod over there. Hopefully he can catch something today. And probably got something on the carp. No sé qué es, pero vamos a llegar, jefe. ¿Qué es uno, Mikey? $8. Oh shit. Aquí tengo una carpita. Nice carp. There you go, guys. There's a carp. And we just threw their bait. Damn, that bait actually worked pretty good. There you go, guys. Nice little carp on the pack bait. First fish of the day. And it's gonna give us a good luck for this Gar tournament. Ay, ese bacha con Marieta te lo pintó. Look at this. Same guy that sold the rod holders. Painted in chrome. Looks all nice. Look at mine, está todo rusty. Nomás le eché un coat.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna fucking spray paint it green or something. Para que se mire. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Mira ni.
Just open the bail. I want to. That'll be a cat. It's no tree. I mean the rock. I think I have nothing. Yeah, güey, fue corriendo, güey. So that shit was so crazy. See, we got food. My tia was making some carne, so went real quick. And nothing's still bit right now. We just gotta wait right now, so. Quick update, guys. 7:30. And still no bites. We already ate, had our lunch. Carnita asada, you know. But we've been getting little bites. Getting a run. Ah, shit. Damn, bro. So this is the same rig as we caught the other gar. Look how he left the bait all munched up. Pretty sure he had it in his mouth, but look at that. Just from yesterday's carnage. Look how he left the leer. Small gar, but they're feistier. Oh yeah, he's taking that. He's taking it. The third run of the day. I don't know, you can see the bobber, though. There you go. Yeah, he's dragging it. Oh, he's jumping, you saw it? He jumped. Like, he doesn't look that big. And the way he jumped, really tiny gar. But, yeah, I think he dropped it, bro. Oh, Mikey, carp rod. Carp rod. Bro, yeah. That's the last carp leader I have. Is it there? Yeah, I got stuck in the same spot. All right, we're getting another bite on this one. I'm gonna run for a bit. Took the bobber to the same place. Then he dropped it again. Oh, it's gone. A lot of runs, but no gar. Yeah, we're getting bites like crazy today. Right, Maggie? We can't caught anything. I'm still waiting to bait this up. Oh, damn. I felt him and then he came off real quick. Damn. He still has the bait. Alright guys, it's about to be 9. So I have a little bit of sunlight. I'm gonna take down this tarp, the tent, and just some runs, man. Mikey's getting runs. I've been getting runs. Uh, Mikey messed up my my carb leader, but it's all good. Just make new ones, right, Mikey? No, still nothing. Yeah, look at that one. Why'd you put that little piece?
A little piece.
What is running? 2 hours on the clock. Rebaiting, as you can see, fresh bait. I'm gonna throw these a little bit closer to the shore because throwing it far hasn't been working. I'll keep you guys updated.
Take it. You think? Yeah.
Get him. There you go. Get him, Mikey. Ah, he came off.
Madre.
He came off, bro.
Fucking flies been bothering me for like 5 fucking hours already.
But that's a wrap for this 2-day fishing, Gar Fishing Tournament. I'll just start reeling back everything. So the gar we got was a 41 inch. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure to like and subscribe. But now we gotta wait for the results. So I'm gonna pick up and head back home, and hopefully we take the dub with that little gar. Hey, oh, flash on. Hey, little buddy. So I just got home. Hey. Got home, put away my bait, and guess what? We got first place. We took the dub with that gar. It's about to be one, and the guy told me that we won. We won $81, but for my first tournament, little tournament, gar tournament, we got the dub, first place, and I think some carp I put on the screen. I probably already put in the screen at the beginning, but and if you guys enjoy watching the video, make sure to leave your thumbs up. Oh, the guy just sent me what's your cash app. So I'm gonna get in contact with this guy, give him my information for my cash app, and yeah, it did good, guys.